How's it? Welcome back. SP Connect. Let's talk about it.
Guys, just a disclaimer, I am not sponsored, neither was this video sponsored in any way, shape or form by anyone except myself. Thank you. Okay guys, before we even continue with the video, I want to say thank you to a viewer who's gifted me this NC750 coffee cup. He asked that I don't mention him. In fact, he asked that I don't say thank you to him on the platform, but I have to say thanks, so I won't mention his name. But thank you to the viewer who gifted it to me and to the friend who gifted it to me. Really appreciate it. Right. Guys, today we're talking about the SP Connect anti-vibration module. Okay, and this is what the module itself looks like. Let's take the screw out. That's what the module itself looks like. Okay, you can see it's rather bulky next to the one I have on there, the picture on the screen now. So that's the difference between the two. I'll show you now when I take that one off what the difference is between these two. So let's go ahead, remove that one, and I'll show you the procedure to install this one, and then I'll give you some feedback about how it works. Guys, before we get there, I just want to talk to you about SP Connect. Whether you're out cycling, running, in the car, on the bike, they're a really cool company that offers ultra high quality solutions for everyday use. All about mobile phones, how to mount them on your car, on your bike, in your car, on your arm. There's a multitude of solutions that they offer. Really go on spconnect.com and have a look at them. Top quality product. There are some other products as well available, like you get the new PD design, I think P design. That's not really available in South Africa. Quad lock is also available. However, the one most available in South Africa where I am is the SP Connect system. The quad locks, you don't really get them. Yeah, there's a few guys that stock them, but they are few and far between. I want to show you the cell phone cases that they offer. These are the cell phone cases that they have. Ultra high quality, guys. There's a system at the back, and then also when you purchase a Moto Bundle system, this Moto Bundle, you will get the mount itself, and also you will get a puck with it. This puck that you can stick on any cell phone cover. As long as it's flat and smooth, you can stick on it. You can see there it's not really sticking on mine. I think this is the 4th or the 5th cell phone cover that it's been on, so I need to remove the original double-sided tape in here and put some proper double-sided tape on there. I've just been adding the thin double-sided tape on there, but it does stick well enough to keep my phone mounted, and I'm not worried that it's going to fall off or anything like that. It's really a proper mounting system. Also on my bike with a high-rise screen on it, there's no wind. And I want to just talk to you about the anti-vibration module. What does it do? What it does, guys, is when you ride, especially if you ride a big V-twin like a Harley or a Thumper, you get that the bikes are very vibrative. They have a lot of vibrations. When you ride, you can feel it in the handlebars. Sometimes your hands goes numb, your feet goes numb. I remember my brother had a DR 400. Yeah, that thing was crazy. It had insane vibrations. When you get off, you could feel it in your legs. Now this thing will help your phone not to shake like this, because when your phone shakes like this the whole time, what it does is it causes severe damage to your camera system. Now what happens, like on the NC very smooth gliding type of bike, you don't feel vibrations, but you cannot help for any road imperfections. Now when there's a road imperfections, you do go like this. You will go like that. You are using the road. Similarly, as you can drive in an S-Class Mercedes, you will feel when there's bumps in the road. So when that happens, your phone does do this. So your phone is stuck to the handlebars, but it does go like this. Even when you're on the highway, sometimes the road is not perfectly finished, and there are bumps in the road. So it does happen. That is where the anti-vibration model comes in. It saves your camera system from damage. Now, to be completely honest with you, this is my previous phone's cover. It was a S21 Ultra. I had issues with the cameras on this phone twice. That I had to replace the main camera sensor twice. And I only realized that afterwards that, you know what, maybe it's due to my bike, because I always use this, always. Now the thing is, the anti-vibration module will save your device from having damage to the camera. So it won't do this while you ride. It will wobble. You will see the phone wobble when the road is imperfect, but which means the dampener will absorb those bumps. It won't send it flying straight into your phone. Alright, so let's have a look at the swapping out of the module itself, and then we'll talk about that afterwards. Okay guys, there's the tool that you are going to need. It's the only tool that you need. Okay, gonna put it in here, loosen the screw, that's it. Now, while we have the two of them out, let's have a look. I'm just taking. Now, while we have the two of them out, let's have a look. What a difference. So that's the difference between the two. So this one does come with a longer screw than this one because it's a bigger unit. So you just replace that screw with a bigger one. Just want to make sure that this one is lying flat, otherwise my phone is not going to be flat. Then I'll put it in. I believe that's it. So my orientation of my phone in my bike is landscape. It's like this. So you will put the phone in level, like straight up like that, and then I'll show you now. That's it. So what will happen here is you'll put the phone in and you'll twist it. That will be your mounting on the bike. You will see your phone will now be able to move, so it will absorb some of the vibrations. On the standard mounting head, it will not be able to do this. Your phone will be rock solid, so it will move and it will sacrifice your camera system.
I just took the NC out for a ride. Yeah, what a difference. I could not believe the actual amount that my phone moves now. I'm used to, as you're driving along and the phone will move with the bike. Now I'm riding, I'm looking at the phone and I'm seeing the phone does this. And I'm grabbing it and feeling, listen, is this thing going to fall off or what's going on here? I need to realize that the phone is actually fitted. It's the dampener that's absorbing all the bumps in the road. That's quite substantial. I mean, I didn't expect that much movement in my phone. It is clear to me as day that anti-vibration dampener is working. And I'm sure the guys with similar mounting systems feels the same way about it. I think it's absolutely worth it. I borrowed this one from my brother just to see how it is, because I've always felt, the NC is so smooth, you don't feel any vibration. Yeah, until you put that thing on the bike and go and see how your phone dances while you ride, and that thing absorbing all the bumps and saving my camera system from failure, I think paying the price for that dampening system is absolutely worth it. So guys, have a look at the dampening systems as well as the other systems that the guys use. Maybe it will be worth your while. It's definitely worth my while. I'm going to order one. And then also have a look at SP Connect's website. I'll put it down here on the video. Have a look at the systems there. Support the guys. It's a brilliant system. It's absolutely high quality. I think you'll enjoy it. I've been riding SP Connect now for the last 4 or 5 years, I think, and I've never been disappointed with any of their products. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. It is free. Consider liking the video and commenting. I really appreciate it. And then until the next video, stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.